dear teachers and all my dear friends. I am Vibhuchanan from class 10. Today I am here to deliver a speech. Today I am here studying to deliver a speech on Vishnu Masala Bhat. Before I am going to start the speech, I want to say what which is given by Vishnu Masala Bhat. I am fighting for revolution, leading to the freedom of the necessary to the relief of women. Today is 20 June. We gather here to observe Radha Divas. As a dedicated to memory of one of Assam's legacy greatest son, Kalaguru Vishnu Prasad Radha, born on 31st January 1909 in Dhaka. He was taught merrily and cultural icon by a revolutionary thinker, freedom fighter, and an unwavering voice for the downtrodden. Often respectfully remembered Kalaguru, master of arts, talent his knew no bounds. He was gifted poet, writer, dramatist, musician, painter, and a film actor who played a crucial role in the shaping modern Assamese literature and cinema. Who can forget his mesmerizing performances of Tandava dance, which earned him the prestigious title Kalaguru from Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. His creations like Shiraz and Airavatar will series as soulful melodies, Raga Songit for his deep love and people of Assam. Vishnu Prasad Radha lies in his selfless